Hi, it's Connecticut car accident attorney Ryan McKeen. And one of the questions I get asked a lot is it worth hiring a car accident attorney for minor injuries? And the answer is, it depends. I've been doing this work for 16 years as a lawyer and 18 years overall, and I've worked with a lot of people. And some people, when they are hurt, they will describe their injuries as minor, and they are in fact not minor. So I always question whether or not an injury is minor. Look, I've been in a car accident one time where I was rear-ended, and it was a slow rate of speed, and it hurt a little bit. And I took some Tylenol over the weekend. I felt better. By Monday, I had forgotten that the accident had happened. That's really a minor accident. But if you're having pain days and weeks later, that is not minor. If you're having pain that is waking you up or pain that is preventing you from doing the things that you do, then that is not minor. Whiplash, for anybody who's been in it. I've also been in a significant car accident. Whiplash hurts a ton and is not minor. And you need to get some help and you need to get some treatment for that, because one of the things that happens with a muscle sprain is that if you don't relax those muscles, inflammation can set in the joints. And so you can have an issue where your muscles are hyperextended, your brain sends signals to contract, swelling sets in, and all of a sudden you have an issue with your vertebrae or joint. Arthritis comes in, you may need surgery, so you're going to want to get that taken care of. Another point about minor car accidents is some people think, well, my car wasn't totaled, so it's minor. I have seen all sorts of car crashes over the years. I've seen cases where cars look like tin cans and people are fine. I have seen cases where there looks like there's a scratch on the bumper and people have life-altering injuries that require surgery that is well documented. So don't assume just because that there is relatively minor damage to your vehicle that you are in fact fine. That is something you're going to want to get checked out with your doctor. Now, that being said, you get checked out. If you're hurt, you need to get some help. There are people out there who can help you. A really good car accident attorney is going to be honest with you and is going to say, look, this is a claim that we can't help you with, or this is a claim that we may be able to help you with, or this is a claim that we can help you with. And, one of our policies is we only take cases that we feel like we can help. And in my practice, I will tell people, maybe you can negotiate a small sum, a small settlement with the insurance company. Here's some things I would tell them, and here's some reasonable payments that I would accept in this kind of case, and help you through no charge at all. Because really, a law firm shouldn't be taking a case unless they can help you or potentially help you. And sometimes in our firm, we will have to do some investigation. We'll have to see how the treatment has gone before we can give you a definitive answer on that. But, really with any reputable car accident attorney in Connecticut, they shouldn't be taking cases that are so small that they just can't help you, or that you couldn't have done better on your own trying to settle your claim by yourself. Now, there are no easy cases. Everything is complicated in law. Everything is complicated in medicine. Personal injury is the intersection of law and medicine. So, the best thing to do is to get your case evaluated. My firm or any really of my colleagues, they don't charge for an evaluation of your case. And, again, if the attorney is honest and, credible, they are going to tell it to you as it is, that, they can or can't help, or here's what to look for, and here's what to say, or here's when we can help. So if you have any questions about your case, please don't hesitate to give me a call, 860-471-8333, and I'm going to give you my honest advice. I'm going to give you my honest opinion, because I feel like I owe that to you, and I feel like you should expect that from any of my colleagues.